Oh, hey, I'm looking for wood for a suncatcher. I'm in a wilderness park. I've never ventured in there by myself. So for now, I'm just going to look around here. And then if there's nothing here, I'll have to head to the river through the path. This is as far as I can take my truck. Let's see if there's anything here. I need something that looks like driftwood. So usually the roots of a tree will work. We had a big flood here in 2013, which exposed a lot of roots and stuff. It doesn't look like there's going to be anything here. And I really don't want to get ticks on me because it would be tick season right now. There's a downed tree, all too small. Because I have one made, she ordered two. I have one made. Oh, there's a little tiny bird nest in that tree. The second one I've seen. I wonder if I should walk down there. I don't know. Maybe I'll go over to the river. Yeah, let's go to the river. Follow me. It's a little path. Used to be able to drive through to it, but I think people were causing damage, so they put rocks here. So we just gotta walk through. Boy, people throw a lot of garbage here. And some wood over here. This is where I found my last piece. My last two pieces. Okay. This one's okay. It's not great, but it'll work. I can't find a better one. Hey. See, they gotta look like knotted up, like there's a lot of dead wood here. But my son, he usually is the hunter because he can scope out the good pieces for some reason. I don't know why, but he's good at it. It's like my grandson. He'll go to the river and he'll find the first heart-shaped rock, like right away. Oh, I found a nice piece. Hopefully it's not attached. Okay. We're doing good. Also, he's a strong one. When I edit this, I'll show you the sun catchers I'm making. Oh, there's lots of geese. I guess I left the camera. That's okay. I got some good pieces. I got this one. I don't know what to use that for. Something. Where'd that one go that I threw? It's right there. And then there's this. There's a few pieces in here. So I don't want to touch it too much in case there's any ticks, but I'll put it in the back of my truck and take it home. Scrub it out. Another thing that I pick up a lot here is rocks. My poor husband. Okay, I'm gonna look for rocks now. Then I'm going back to the truck. Look at all those. That's what I'm looking for. But I need my little chainsaw. Yeah, there's a lot of good pieces in there. I think the one I have is perfect for what I need tonight. And we should be good. I like to find rocks and just put them in my tumbler. It's kind of got a glitter on it. But yeah, because I'm weird that way. Okay, so time to pick up my wood and go back to the truck. Because I need... Oh, that hurt. I'm sorry. I know I saw it. Sorry to my phone. You ever hear that saying that you fall and you hear a crack and you hope it's your leg, not your phone? No damage, so we're good. So I'm done on this side. And I think I'm going to drive around on the other side. The other side of the highway is the river bottom. That's where I take the kids swimming. I think I'll go through there because sometimes there's wood there. And sometimes there's these red branches that I just love. And I need to figure out what I want to make with them. But they're so pretty. They're like bright red branches. And you usually find some dead ones around. I can't cut any live ones down, but I wish I could put this phone up higher because look, the phone sits down low so it's see all my chins. Oh well, who cares? Off we go. I'll show you a bit of the wilderness park. This is an open area, but it's mostly treed. We have black bears. We have the odd grizzly bear that comes through. I don't think he stays here. Lots of moose and deer. There's always baby moose every spring. There's skunks and rabbits. Go around this side. Skunks, rabbits. People say there's raccoons, but I haven't seen one yet. I did see one that got run over on the highway just outside of the wilderness park, but I've yet to see a raccoon in real life. An alive one. So we're not allowed to remove wood from the park, so I guess I have to take my wood back. I guess I'll do that. Park was opened in July of 1991. Abused areas and roadways were replanted and trails were designed on existing nature trails. Wildlife abounds here. Mule and white-tailed deer are common, as well as beaver, muskrat, waterfowl, pheasants, and cottontail rabbits. More rare sightings include moose, bobcats, cougars, raccoons, and bears. The cougars are... The sightings that I know about have been on the other side of the road, the other side over there. There's another path driving over there, and that takes to the river bottom. But a lot of people have seen the cougars. Bears are seen every year. Last 2 years it's been mama and babies. Moose are always seen. The moose come right into town and walk all over town. There's a lot of moose. No camping, stay on the designated roads, pets on a leash. No horses or motorized vehicles. Please obey the rules and do not litter. I think next time I come here, I'll bring a garbage bag because there was a ton of litter. Now, you can walk down the paths. There's beautiful paths to walk in there. I haven't done them yet because I don't like doing it by myself. But I'm thinking maybe tomorrow I'll get brave and bring my dog here. Also, there's a little outhouse there. Just past that outhouse, there's an actual playground for the kids. And we come here. My mom likes to, metal detect. So she did that in the playground. But yeah, okay, I'm going to go to the river bottom. Goosebumps. This is the Old Man River. Look how calm it is and beautiful. There's not a lot of beauty in Fort Macleod, but all the beauty is right here. So I'm at the end of the River Bottom Trail, and the Girl Guide camp is right through there, and that's where the cougars are seen mostly, because they catch a lot of pictures of them on their security cams, and then they post them. So, spring is coming. I found something strange in this tree. It's the hide of an animal. What kind of fur is that? And why is it up in this tree? You can see that it's been torn off. Now it's up about 4 feet off the ground. What is that? And why is it in the tree? It's not just a chunk of fur, it's like the skin is on it. There's those red branches I'm talking about. I'm not going to get any today because I don't know what to make with them yet, and I'm working on orders and I don't want to ADHD. Aren't they pretty? The color's so bright. I don't know what they are. I don't know what kind of tree or bush it is. Gorgeous. We're at the river bottom. This is where I bring the boys to play in the water. You can park right up at the water. This is a whole big beach. Back home we go. River's over there. anyone has any ideas about that animal pelt, let me know. It was about 12 inches long, and I petted it. And the fur was very coarse. It did not soft like rabbit, so it's not a rabbit. And like I do every time I come out, I stop to visit the babies. Hey, Fabio? You had enough treats today. Plus, you had catnip. Old Hoss is eating. Miss Hits is around here somewhere. Fabios. Kitty, kitty. Fabio, you're so pretty. Oh, yeah, big yawns. I just love them. I just live 2 blocks away, so I'm almost home. You guys gonna stay warm tonight? You got enough food left? Pretty sure you do. Look at that old boy.